Hey guys, what's going on? It's Luke with the Common Investor here, bringing you another video. Today's topic is going to be on my watch list for March of 2019. I'll be going over 3 different stocks, so stay tuned. The first stock that I'm watching in March 2019 is Canopy Growth Company, ticker symbol CGC. Canopy Growth, like a lot of you know, is a cannabis company specializing in the production and sale of medical cannabis as well as recreational cannabis. They're currently located in Smiths Falls, Ontario. So, as we all know, Canada has legalized recreational marijuana. Currently, they have a market cap of 14.6 billion, making them one of the biggest publicly traded stock cannabis companies out there as of right now. So reasons to watch them and potentially buy them in March 2019 is because they have a very strong platform. So they currently operate in 12 countries. They also have 4.3 million square feet of licensed location, and they're also building 1.3 million square feet. So a lot of real estate there, a lot of room to grow. They're also building up their portfolio, and they have 120 patent applications out there. So have a lot building up in the pipeline. And finally, they are making progress with their healthcare investments. So they currently have 15 human clinical trials with 4 for animals. So they're definitely doing a lot of R&D right now, and they're definitely very strong and poised to take on the entire cannabis market. Now, another reason is that they just had a big influx of $4 billion from Constellation Brands. So Constellation Brands, if you do not know as of yet, they invested a huge stake, so $4 billion into Canopy Growth Company for research and development to boost their marketing and pour money into R&D. As you see there that they've done a lot with R&D. So they'll also provide a tremendous distribution footprint in the US, Mexico, New Zealand, Italy, and Canada. Constellation Brands also owns Corona, Corona Light, Modelo Special, uh, etc. That would be a very good to get into liquid THC. Last reason to buy Canopy Growth or watch it in March is that there's a spectacular growth opportunity. As we all know, cannabis stocks as of lately have been skyrocketing. They've been very volatile. So I would say to watch for it. If it continues to trend up, just keep watching. I'm predicting a little bit of a downtrend in Canopy Growth. If there is a downtrend, then I will definitely be purchasing that stock in March. This is a good segue into the next stock. Next stock I have on the watch list is Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ. For those of you that don't know what Constellation Brands is, they produce, market, and distribute beer, wine, and spirits, mainly known for Corona and Modelo. However, they do produce a lot of other alcoholic beverages. They have a great brand out there in many different countries. And as you can see, my main thesis for purchasing Constellation Brands here in March is that they've been trending down considerably. So this is due in part to a big earnings miss. They missed about 12%, lowered their guidance, and had a loss of profits, which tanked them 12% from an already falling stock. I believe Constellation Brands has a great branding out there already, and they're very strong and great at what they do. They've also done something very smart and a first mover, in my opinion, and they put the influx of $4 billion into Canopy Growth Company, which I just spoke about. I think that's a great long-term play, and I think this is just going to be a blip in the chart for Constellation Brands. So not going to spend too much time on Constellation Brands. So that is one that I will be buying if we continue to trend down in March. The last stock I have on my watch list for March is Square, ticker symbol SQ. If you don't know what Square is, they are mainly a POS system catering to small businesses. As you can see, Square is a stock that I have owned here for the past year or so, up about 66%. So they have been a high growth for the portfolio. And I believe that they are going to continue to grow into 2019 and beyond. So Square has, I would say, a huge stake in small businesses with the POS system. I know that if I go to a lot of small businesses around here, like coffee shop or anything, they're always using the Square readers. They've also come out with their own platforms to just take payment, and they have like screens. If you've seen them, you know what I'm talking about. They've also gotten and catering more to the small business into payroll, and everything that a small business would need to succeed, they are offering it. So I think that catering to small businesses is what Square does best. And with an economy doing so well as our economy, and I firmly believe it's going to continue to do well. Despite what a lot of people say, we're going into recession, yada yada. As long as the economy keeps doing well, even if it doesn't, Square is going to be a high grower with small businesses popping up in a great economy. So that is my thesis for Square, and that's going to round out my top 3 stocks for March of 2019. Let me know what you thought in the comments section below. Would love to know what stocks you're looking to buy in March 2019 and beyond. And if you haven't already signed up for Robinhood, that's the platform here that I've been using to show you all the stocks. Feel free to use the link in the description below to sign up. You'll receive a free stock in doing so. So who doesn't like free money? So with that being said, I'll end it here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll look forward to the next video.